In this tutorial, we will show you how the PhotoTranslator app works. The PhotoTranslator allows you to recognize text from pictures and translate it into your chosen language. You can translate things like a menu, timetables, leaflets, and many more. To launch the PhotoTranslator app, you hit the menu icon, and the second one on the list is PhotoTranslator. You select that. Then you can select the flag to translate into your chosen language. So for this example, I will translate it to English. Then you hit OK. This will open up the camera on the back of the device. You then bring in your item that you'd like to translate, and then you will need to take a picture of it. So to do this, the Vasco M3 will automatically focus, but if you'd like to manually focus on particular areas, you can just tap the screen and it will focus, and then all you have to do is hit the shutter button and it will take the picture. You can discard this by hitting the X and try again, or you can confirm if you think the picture looks good by hitting the check mark. The text will be recognized after a few seconds, and now it has been done. So now I can confirm the text is in English from this user manual by zooming in to the picture, and I can confirm all of the translations will be very similar to user guide, user manual, instruction manual. Pretty much every language that's in this user guide that I have underneath, it is now translated perfectly via taking a photo. You can also take a picture using the flash if you are in low lighting conditions, and then if you'd like to, you can retake the picture by hitting the camera icon there on the bottom left. So for example, I can hit the flash button on the right hand side and then take a picture like so. And the best thing is that you can show simultaneous translations of several languages in the same picture. If you want to go back, you can simply hit the back button on the right hand side, and then you will go back to the PhotoTranslator menu.